Hey guys, it's me Kaiwan, and it's a very beautiful morning out here. As you can see, this is a view from my hometown, Accra City. But anyway, I'm here to announce something that I've been working on for like the past 3 days. And to be honest, I'm very excited, and I'm here to announce my very first Luts pack. So if you have no idea what is the Luts or what does it mean, so let me give you a quick example so you can understand what Luts exactly means. For example, we have Lightroom and we have Lightroom presets. So we use preset to enhance our photos. So if you compare to the Luts, basically Luts are just like Lightroom preset, but we are enhancing our videos. And the cool thing about Luts, not only you can use it for your videos, you can also use it for your photos in Photoshop. By the end of this video, I'm gonna explain everything and how you can use these Luts. So without further ado, let me give you a quick review about my Luts. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how you can import and install your Luts into Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere. So after you download the Luts, you're gonna get around 33 Luts, and to bring into Photoshop and Adobe Premiere, all you have to do is just go to local decks, and then we have program files, and then we have Adobe file, which includes all the Adobe program, or we can say software. And the first thing, I want to import them in Adobe Premiere Pro. So now we're gonna search Luts here. So here you have 3 files, and I'm going to install them in Creative File. And now make sure you select all of them and just drag it and copy to Creative File. And now boom. So now the Luts are installed in Adobe Premiere. Now let's go and import them in Adobe Photoshop. So we're gonna go to local decks again, program files, and then we have Adobe, and then we have Adobe Photoshop. Now in my case, I don't have to search. All I have to do is just go to preset, and we have 3D Luts. And now as you can see, there's already some official Luts in Adobe Photoshop. So all you have to do is just drag it and copy to the same file. And continue, and boom. So now you install the Luts in Photoshop too. So in this case, you can use these Luts in Adobe Premiere and in Photoshop in the same time, which is amazing. Alright guys, so now we are in Adobe Premiere, and as you can see, I have this clip and it's not color graded. So if you want to apply one of my Luts, we already imported the Luts. Now all you have to do is just go to color section, and then go to creative section, and then make sure you choose the Lut that really fit on the clip. So in my case, I'm going to choose K1 Sign Worm, and boom. So as you can see, now it's color graded. So if you want to bring down the opacity, if you think it's too much, all you have to do is just bring down the intensity of this Lut. So as you can see, now it's much clear that we reduce the opacity of the color graded clips. So yeah, that's how it is. It's very simple to apply any LUTs to any clip that you want. And now let's go to Photoshop. Alright guys, so here I have this photo right over here, and if you don't know, I'm a big fan of Marshmallow, so I've just created this photo just for fun. I'm not gonna post it, but you know, just to show you how you can use the color LUTs. We have here in adjustment, we have color lookup. So once you have it, as you can see, we already imported all the colors, or we can say LUTs. And now, for example, just choose one of them. For example, we have sine worm, and boom. So with one click, and you got this result. And you can pretty much change the LUTs to any LUT that you want. And it's just amazing. I really love this kind of color. I've been playing around, and also there are some of the LUTs that I created a year ago, so I'm really happy to announce this color LUTs today. So hey guys, that was for today. If you really like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials, and don't forget the link of this collection LUTs will be in the description box below if you are interested to get it. So hey guys, that was for today. Thank you so much and have a great time.